Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm David from InkHearts Industries. Finally, we reached the point where we start working on a driver's side door on a Mitsubishi L 300 motorhome. It appeared a lot worse condition than what we expected. As soon as we start working on it and get rid of all the Bondo, duct tape, toothpaste, whatever was stuffed into the hole to keep it in one piece, that's a lot of rust, a lot of rotten panels and bits what needs sorting out. As soon as we finish with the door, we're gonna sand down all the paint off the driver's side, clean it and prime it. And also I think it's a good time to start thinking about the color and the design. If you have any ideas, leave a comment below what color we should choose, what design we should put on the side. Right, so let's have a look at the door. We're gonna strip the door down and let's see what we got. That's all what I'm actually using to patch up all the missing bits. All this scrap metal is brilliant for recycling. Nice. So my plan was actually for today to clear all the floor and undercoat it, but it's all out the window now because the rain. Just not fair to risk it, it's getting wet or whatever. So focusing on the door, get it on my little bench and start from there. As you can see, the bottom is completely gone. Wow. However, you can see it's been repaired before. There's some very flimsy, very thin material. Wow. Okay. At least I can see what we got. Oh, the brackets needs doing. Oops, sorry. I got something to sort this out to make it easier, my life easier. Not long ago I found a washing machine. It's been chucked out. I think I'm gonna use this to replicate this panel. it's all tacked in place roughly, just keep it in position. I'm gonna do a little bit more shaping. Out of a washing machine side panel, it's not too bad. This curve, because on the bottom is touching a little bit, so I have to probably cut out a few mil and just re-weld it all along. Apart from that, it's not too bad. Carry on working on this. Cut this section out. Tidy up, it's a bit too close. It's not a big problem. I will sort it out. It's pretty much clear now there, just had to notch out tiny bit. It's just literally that much. So I had a nice, almost even gap. I have to reshape this corner. I was thinking about this the other day. Probably there was a few holes before to get rid of the rainwater. But I was thinking as a lot of water can stay there. So all I've done, I grabbed from the back and just pulled a little bit out, so make this flat piece in angle. All the water gonna go there. So all I have to do is just probably drill one hole, so everything is gonna go down there and get out. It all came too proud, so I have to mark it up and cut it back.
Chain around my
how we're looking now. I'm gonna cut out the rotten area behind and try to just tack it along. A few tacks just to keep it in place. I still got pieces to do. That's what we got. This is how far I got today. I managed to do these lips. All these lips are done, so you have to put a small piece there. As soon as that's done, and these nasty bits, you're gonna have a lovely door. Right, that was it for today, guys, and as always, thank you for watching, and see you next time.